Hidden deep in the heart of Croatia lies a place that almost feels too beautiful to be real. Plitvice Lakes National Park is famous for its crystal clear lakes, gentle waterfalls, and peaceful wooden paths that wind through untouched nature. As the water flows from one lake to another, every corner reveals a new and breathtaking view, making the entire park feel like a living masterpiece. Whether you are visiting for the stunning scenery, the calm atmosphere, or simply to escape into nature, this incredible destination leaves a lasting memory on everyone who sees it. It's a perfect reminder that some of most extraordinary places on earth are not built by people, they are created by nature itself.